One thing to keep in mind with your transaction files, specifically in Skyslope. So Skyslope has a number of different tabs across the top, one of which is your checklist and one of which is your documents tab. The documents tab, it does not need to be organized. All your documents fall into there and it's just kind of your loose storage area for them. So we're not really looking for items to be fully signed in your documents tab. It's the items on your checklist. You would only add items to your checklist once they are fully executed. So if you have a disclosure that your seller has signed, but you're still waiting for the buyer's signature, yeah, you did your part, but you're not gonna add that to the checklist. That might go in the documents tab while you're waiting for it to come back from the other side fully signed. Once it's fully signed, then you would put it on the checklist, and that's when company would review it to clear your file. So it's the checklist of fully executed documents that you want to be all green in Skyslope, and that essentially means that your file is complete from a compliance standpoint and ready for payment once the commission comes in. Thanks for watching. I hope this was helpful. If you learned something or if this helped you solve a problem, follow me for more.